Welcome everyone. Welcome to Hansel Financial. Today we're going to be talking about 6 tips to help you save money on your electric bill. So let's get right into it, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Alright everyone, so we all know that summer is now here. And with summer, usually means a higher electric bill or utilities bill each month for the next up and coming months. So in this video we're going to talk about some helpful tips to help you save money on that electric bill. The first tip we want to talk about is to help lower your AC usage and your AC overall bill for your electric bill. When you break down your electric bill, you're going to see that the majority of the money, the percentage, is going to go towards your AC. That's going to be drawing the biggest amount of electricity each month with your bill. So some tips to help get that bill lower on the AC side with the usage is we want to make sure that we are changing out your filter in your AC unit every 90 days, 60-90 days. By doing this, it's going to help the airflow in your AC unit and help it run more efficiently, which in turn is going to cost you less money to run it. Another tip for the AC usage is whenever you leave your home or your apartment, to make sure that you bump up the thermostat a couple of degrees when you leave your house. This way, it will help save you money as well. When you're not home, there's no need to keep the house cooler when you're not home. This is another great helpful tip to help you save money each and every month on your electric bill with your AC usage. All right, so tip number 2 on how to help you save money on your electric bill is going to be making sure that you turn off lights when you no longer need them. This one you will be surprised about of how much money you can actually save by turning off your lights whenever you leave a room. Let's say, as an example, let's say you have outside lights of your house, and so you might turn the lights on during the nighttime, and then you forget to turn them off during the day. So that's going to cost you extra money. So make sure that we want to turn off those lights inside your home or your apartment. And then if you do have outside lights, make sure that you are turning those lights off during the daytime, since obviously there's no need to have the lights on outside during the day. So now tip number 3 on ways to help you save money on your electric bill is going to be part of tip 1, but I decided to make it in its own tip. And this one is going to be to make sure that you are closing your blinds or keeping them partially closed within your house or, again, your apartment. By keeping your blinds closed during the day especially is going to help block out the sun from entering your house, which in turn is going to keep the house cooler. And when you keep your home or apartment cooler, that entails is going to not need you to run your AC unit as often, which again is going to help you save money on your electric bill. And with that as well, when you keep the blinds closed, you're going to be able to feel the difference. If you walk up to your window during the day and let's say you have the blinds completely open, you're going to feel that heat just coming through. So again, keeping the blinds closed or even partially closed during the day is going to help you save money on your electric bill, mainly because it's going to help you not use your AC as often. All right, tip number 4 on ways to help you save money on your electric bill is unplugging your electronics when you're not using them. This is called the power that is used when the electronic is not being used but it's still plugged into the wall. It's called phantom power, and technically it still uses electricity even though that electronic is not powered on. It is still using it. So an example could be maybe you're vacuuming your house, and let's say you leave your vacuum plugged in during the night. It's still drawing electricity. Now it's not drawing the same amount it would be if you were vacuuming, but it technically is still drawing electricity even though that the plug is plugged into the outlet. So we want to make sure to unplug electronics when you're done using them. Again, it's a very simple thing that you can do, and over time with each individual electronic that you are unplugging from the wall, each one of those is going to add up to savings each month that you're going to see in your electric bill every single month. So again, you want to unplug those electronic devices that you are currently not using. All right, tip number 5 on ways to help you save money on your electric bill is going again to correspond with the AC usage. Is we want to make sure that we're using our ceiling fans within our house or again our apartment. We want to make sure that we're using them correctly. So during the summertime, you want to make sure that the ceiling fan is going counterclockwise, and then during the wintertime, you want to make sure that the fan is set to clockwise. Doing this is going to help to either keep your house cooler during the summer or help keep your house a bit warmer during the wintertime. And by using your ceiling fans throughout your house in each room, it's going to help move the air around within that room and until help keep that room feel cooler. And that way you do not have to turn on your AC to cool down that room, and vice versa. In the wintertime, when you have it going clockwise, it's going to help pull the heat up from the top of your roof down towards you in each room, and that way you won't have to use your heater as much during the wintertime. So again, a very, very simple thing that can actually save you a good amount of money every single month on your electric bill is making sure that you are utilizing ceiling fans to their optimal potential. And finally, tip number 6 on how to help you save money on your electric bill is going to have a slight investment. I recommend trying to implement maybe some LED light bulbs, buying some energy efficient maybe appliances if you're in the market of those. But this tip will cost some money up front, but in the long run, it's going to help you save money on your electric bill. So like I said, one simple thing that you can do is start replacing some of your light bulbs throughout your house with LED light bulbs, which will consume a lot less electricity for the corresponding wattage, and it's also going to when the light bulb turns on, it's going to run cooler as well and won't produce as much heat, which again is going to help keep your house cooler overall. And then for your appliances, if you are in the market to replace an appliance, make sure that you are checking to make sure that it is energy efficient with that label, to make sure that you're trying to save the most money with your new appliance. Now, I'm not saying go out and just buy all new appliances within your house. Don't do that, because obviously that's just wasteful. If your appliance is working correctly, then there's no need to go out and buy an energy efficient one. But if your fridge breaks, or let's say your dishwasher, something like that you're already in the market for, or you know that's going to be the market, do some research. Try and maybe look for a little more energy efficient ones. That way it's going to help save you money on the back end of your electric bill, utility bill in the future. All right, everyone. I hope you all learned some tips and tricks to help you save money on your electric bill. Let me know in the comments below if you've started to use some of these, or if you already have used some of these tips, and if you've actually seen savings on your electric bill, because I know that I have, when I've implemented these tips in my own life, for my own bill. My bill goes down each month when I utilize these tips. Well, I hope you all have a great day, and again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. I hope you guys all have a good one out there.